Well, we have been talking about those overnight severe storms. We know they brought some much needed rain, but also some high wind and even some large hail.
We've got meteorologist Taylor Cox in studio this morning. So Taylor, you have what some of us saw last night.
Hey, good morning. Yeah, so KOCO 5, the weather team tracked that storm and many saw some large hail from last night. Loud thunderstorms were seen through most of the state and a lightning strike there from what Sky 5 captured. It's a very picturesque storm near Kingfisher last night. Now a little larger than golf ball sized hail was also reported. Take a look at this picture that was sent in from Shawnee. Hail was reported across the state, most the size of a quarter to the size of a golf ball, but tennis ball sized hail was reported in Pottawatomie County last night and baseball sized hail down in Texas. Also, wind speeds recorded higher than 70 miles an hour in Tipton City, that's in Tillman County there. Now coming up in the next half hour, I'll take a look at those rainfall totals from these storms from last night.